In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up files and folders to OneDrive in Windows 10. This process is incredibly useful for ensuring your important data is safe and accessible from anywhere. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you're logged into your OneDrive account. To do this, open your system tray or taskbar and look for the OneDrive icon. If you're not logged in, simply click on the icon and enter your login details to get started. Once you're logged in, click on the OneDrive icon to open its menu. When the menu is open, find and click on the Settings icon, which will take you to the Settings menu. In this Settings menu, you'll see various options. Look for the section labeled Sync and Backup and click on it. This is where you'll manage your backup preferences. Within the Sync and Backup tab, find the Manage Backup option. Selecting this will show you a list of folders available for backup, such as desktop, documents, and pictures. Choose which folders you'd like to back up by selecting them. This setup ensures that important files are always secure in the cloud. After you've made your selections, click Save Changes to confirm. This will ensure that your chosen folders are automatically backed up to OneDrive. Now, let's switch gears to the second method, which involves using File Explorer. This method provides more granular control over individual files and folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folders or files on your computer that you want to back up. Once you've found the files or folders, select them by holding down the Control key if you wish to select multiple items at once. After selecting them, drag and drop these items into your OneDrive folder. By dropping files into this folder, you're effectively backing them up to the cloud. It's a simple drag and drop process that immediately secures your files. Either one of these methods will allow you to keep your valuable data safe and accessible from any device where you have access to your OneDrive account. Remember, while automatic backups cover entire folders and are convenient, manually dragging and dropping gives you the flexibility to choose specific items to secure. And there you have it, 2 efficient ways to back up your files and folders to OneDrive on Windows 10. Backup is a crucial habit to keep your digital life safeguarded, and utilizing these methods will surely give you peace of mind knowing that your data is protected. Thank you for watching, and be sure to take full advantage of these features to keep your files secure.